Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Harnati Saini dengan NIM A1G1210099. Saya dari jurusan PGSD kelas B. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan sebuah teks, yaitu teks present tense, di mana teks present tense digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu perbuatan yang biasa kita lakukan, misalnya setiap hari, setiap minggu, setiap bulan, dan setiap tahun. Rumus dari present tense yaitu plus subjek plus verb 1 plus s and subjek plus objek plus adverb. Subjek plus do and does plus not plus verb 1 plus objek plus adverb. Do and does plus subjek plus verb 1 plus objek plus adverb. Adverb equals every day, every week, every month, every year. Do and does digunakan apabila ada kata kerja he does not work every day. He, she, it untuk pasangannya adalah does. I, we, you, they untuk pasangannya adalah do. Keterangan penambahan s and subjek pada kata kerja. Kata kerja yang berakhiran dengan huruf she, it, she's, ss, x, dan o harus ditambahkan huruf s apabila subjeknya adalah he, she, it. He watches TV every day. She goes to campus every Tuesday. Selain kata kerja yang tidak berakhiran dengan huruf she, it, she's, ss, x, dan o dan masih bersubjek he, she, it, maka kata kerjanya hanya ditambah huruf s. He is bread for breakfast. Kata kerja yang berakhiran dengan huruf y yang didahului oleh huruf konsonan, maka huruf y diubah menjadi ice. Study. She always study English every day. Contoh dari present tense yaitu they work every day, they do not work every day, do they work every day, we study English every day, we do not English every day, do we study English every day. The past simple tense. Use the past simple to express an action that started and finished at a specific time in the past. Sometimes the speaker may not actually mention the specific time, but they do have on specific time in mind. Example, I saw a movie yesterday. Last year I traveled to Japan. Did you have dinner last night? She washed her car 2 hours ago. We use the simple past to list a series of completed actions in the past. This action happened 1, 2, 3, 4, and soon. I finished work, walked to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. He arrived from the airport 8 o'clock, checked into the hotel 9 o'clock, met the hostess at 10 o'clock. Did you add flour in the milk and add the eggs? The simple past can be used with a duration which start and stop in the past. A duration is a longer action often indicated by expressions such as for 2 years, for 5 minutes, all day, all year. Example, I lived in Brazil for 2 years. Ruth studied Japanese for 5 years. They sat at the beach all day. They did not stay at the party the entire time. We talked on the phone for 30 minutes. The simple past can be used to describe a habit which happened in the past. It can have the same meaning as used to make it clear that we are talking about a habit. We often use expressions such as always, often, usually, never, when I was a child, when I was younger age. Example, I studied French when I was a child. He played the violin. He did not play the piano. Did you play musical instrument when you were a kid? She worked at the movie theater of the school. The simple past can also be used to describe past facts or generalizations which are no longer true, as in use for above. The use of the simple past is quite similar to the expression used to. Example, she as a child, but now she is ever going. He did not like tomatoes before. Did you live in Texas when you were a kid? People paid much more to make phone calls in the past. Time expression: yesterday, last week, month, year, a week, month, year ago. When I was suddenly, for, where to be. I was born in Israel. He was a doctor. She was in the USA. It was cold yesterday. We were at home yesterday. You were right. They were in Italy last summer. Past simple regular verbs. The past simple tense of the past English verb regular verb is formed by ending at to their base form. If the verb ends it, we add to for the past simple. Example, we arrived at 9 o'clock. My brother lived in London 4 years ago. When she was young, she danced beautiful. Irregular verbs. There are also some verbs called irregular verbs that have special past tense form. We went to school yesterday. The children read her story last year. Tamar wrote the letter to her friend on Sunday. The student forget to do the homework. Negative form. Negative in the simple past are formed by ending did informal or did not formal before the simple form on the verb. Subject did not finish of the sentence. The girl did not come to school yesterday. The parents did not work on Sunday. The baby didn't drink milk in the morning. Negative form verb to be. He, she, it, was not. I was not sick last week. He was not in Eilat last summer. She was not at school on Monday. They were not. We were not at home on Saturday. You weren't happy with your grades. They were not angry with his behavior. Itulah persentase dari saya. Jika ada kekurangan dan kesalahan mohon dimaafkan. Akhir kata, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.